Oh my god. Oh my god. What did I do? Are you for real? Holy shit. Oh my god. What the fuck are you drinking, guys?
Ooh.
Oh my god, I can't stop. I am so sorry. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Better out than in, I always say.
Sorry. Holy shit. Shuffling. Doom, 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 doom. Ready, go shuffle. Oh my god.
Better out than in, I always say.
Oh my god, how the fuck are you doing that? I'm sorry, that was so long though. It wasn't loud, but it was long.
What was that noise that came out your mouth?
Oh my god. How is this biologically possible? I have no idea. I can't stop though.
I don't really.
Oh god. Are you for real?
Better out than in, I always say.
3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, yeah. 4. That was a good one. That was like a fucking 50 out of 10. Whoa. Sorry.
How to stop belching. Sometimes you can't help but belch. Sometimes it comes unexpectedly and out of the blue, causing you some degree of embarrassment.
Does you heard nothing? Oh my god, I could hear it. Oh shit! Holy shit! Whoa. Here. See it? 111.3.